Originally, 2008, Andy Warner, my really good friend, great screenwriter buddy, and I sat around and we're like, let's make a micro-budget movie. So we brainstormed the idea, we called it The Blackness, about a convenience store manager, night shift manager, who's just kind of really bummed he never left his hometown. I think that's a little anxiety or angst that we all feel. Even if you do leave your hometown and go to college, there's a period of time where you're like, you haven't moved on like you think you should have. So we wanted to explore that and then do the Twilight Zone, Roman Polanski, Rosemary's Baby type, like, is it real, is it not real exploration. So it was the style of movie that we loved, and we wanted to tell a story that made people debate. Like, two people walk out and at the end of the night they're like debating over, a late night Denny's dinner, like one person has an opinion and the other person has another opinion. Did that happen? Was he crazy, or was that whole conspiracy, occult conspiracy, really happening? So that's what we wanted to do. So Andy and I fleshed that out, but then I joined the Army and did my thing, and I came back after that, and Rich Hanley and I met at Mount St. Mary's in an MFA program, and he said, we were getting thesis time, he said, dude, you know what, instead of doing short films, individual short films, let's team up and do a feature. So and the script, the original thing that we had written 10 years ago was only like 60 pages. So we're like, we got to add 25 pages. This needs a little more depth. It's really like streamlined. Is this even a short? Is this like a pilot? What is this? So Rich and I were like, let's add 25 pages. And he's a doctor and he's a father, neither of which I am. He's also a naval officer veteran. So we were able to add kind of like a more parental point of view. There's parents involved in the movie, and then a little of the medical, mental health stuff he was able to help really bulk out that wasn't there. So he's a great guy. We get along well. I think that's important. We found our the way to play to each other's strengths. So it was a fantastic process, and we were producing it, so we were always mindful of the money we were going to have, the very little amount of money we were going to have to spend on this thing. So we wrote to budget as well.